Hi, Ellie here, and today we compare two popular 12-inch pizza ovens, the Ooni Koda 12 and the new Ooni Karu 12G. Let's cover the Ooni Koda 12 first. This 12-inch pizza oven is fueled by gas. It easily connects to a gas tank from a pipe at the back. It has a linear gas burner that covers the back of the oven. It's simple and easy to use. With a grey powder-coated shell and a sleek modern design, it will look great on your pizza table. It has foldable legs and is light to carry around due to its compact size. Just attach the oven to your tank with a pipe. Turn the gas dial knob at the back, ignite, and your oven has instant flames. The Koda has a 12-inch cooking surface and provides a powerful flame that reaches temperatures of up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius, in just 15 minutes. I bought the Koda 12 4 years ago now, and it's still looking great and working well. One of the great features of the Ooni Koda 12 is its built-in ignition. It provides a hassle-free startup without any messy charcoal. And on that note, let's quickly move on to the new Ooni Karu 12G, which is an updated version of the original Karu 12 pizza oven. This multi-fuel pizza oven gives you the flexibility to cook with wood, lumpwood charcoal or gas as an optional extra, depending on your preferences. Check out my Karu 12G first cook video on the link above and in the description below, where I discuss the Karu 12 gas burner in more detail. It's a super 12-inch pizza oven for those who want to use different fuel options and cooks pizza really well using the wood burner that it comes with as standard. The Karu 12G also has a grey powdered steel shell that looks very similar to the Koda 12's. And also reaches temperatures of 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius. Both the Koda and the Karu ovens have foldable legs, removable stones, and also are really easy to clean. However, there are a few differences. The Karu 12G gives you, the cook, more fuel choice options. It has a chimney and a door, which the Koda 12 does not have. The chimney and door on the Karu are used with both the gas and wood fuel options. The Karu 12 gives you beautiful wood flames from its lovely sized grate. It also has a temperature dial on the side, and this helps to monitor the heat with the door shut, as opening the door to check the oven temperature releases the heat and slows down the heat up time. The optional Karu 12 gas burner attachment is easily placed onto the back of the oven once the wood burner has been removed. This is handy for when you want to have an instant flame at the click of the ignition, just like the Koda 12. The gas burner connects to your gas tank in the same way as the Koda 12. If you are looking to buy these ovens, you may want to consider which fuel you are more interested in cooking with. If you only really want to cook with gas, then the Koda 12 does that really well. Wood fire ovens are a little more messy, especially using the lumpwood charcoal, and take a little longer to set up and require a little more skill in wood flame management. Check out my video on how to light the Karu 12 pizza oven in the link above and below. The Karu 12G has a glass door, and so this gives you a great view of the pizza as it cooks, whilst retaining the heat inside during the cook. The door is easy to clean and doesn't smoke up as you are cooking, so it works really well. Both these ovens have their unique advantages. The Koda 12 is easy to set up and use, it heats up quickly and is portable. The Karu 12G gives you the flexibility to cook with different fuels, also heats up fast and is portable. but it's heavier than the Koda 12 because it has a door. These are the weights of both of these ovens. Which oven you prefer depends on your cooking fuel choice and your cooking style. Whichever one you choose, they both cook super pizza and will provide you with loads of pizza cooking fun. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye!